Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay, now we will start the teacher evaluation. The first subject is Matematika.
Okay. First is matematika. Nomor 1.
Boleh dibesarkan, Miss?
Tunggu, Miss. I want to make bigger this one. Okay. Perhatikan data jumlah pengunjung perpustakaan berikut. Senin 250, Selasa 300, Rabu 450 orang, Kamis 400, Jumat 500 orang. Pada hari apa jumlah pengunjung paling sedikit dan paling banyak? Dan berapa selisih jumlah pengunjung pada kedua hari tersebut? Paling sedikit jumlah pengunjung pada hari Senin, sedangkan paling banyak jumlahnya pada hari Jumat. Selisih pengunjung pada kedua hari tersebut adalah 250 orang, karena 500 dikurang 250 adalah 250. Nomor 2, perhatikan data pada diagram batang berikut. Senin 120, Selasa 150, Rabu 180, Kamis 140. Hari apakah yang memiliki jumlah siswa terbanyak? Maka yang paling banyak adalah pada hari Rabu. Berapakah selisih jumlah siswa pada hari Rabu dan Senin? Selisihnya adalah 60 siswa. Karena 180 dikurang 120 adalah 60. Sebuah diagram batang menunjukkan jumlah pengunjung perpustakaan selama 5 hari. Hari pertama 200, hari kedua 250, hari ketiga 300, keempat 150, kelima 350. Pada hari keberapakah jumlah pengunjung paling sedikit dan berapa total jumlah pengunjung paling sedikit, yaitu pada hari keempat dengan total 150 pengunjung. Dan berapakah total pengunjung pada hari kedua dan hari kelima? Pada total pengunjung pada hari kedua 250 ditambah 350 sama dengan 600 pengunjung. Kemudian students say it is certain that I will meet a teacher at school. Do you agree with this statement? Yes, I agree with this statement because the teachers are always in the school during the school day. And how is certain different from likely? Certain certain means it is definitely will happen, while unlikely it is possible. It is possibility will not happen. Will not happen. And number 2, Chess and Eddie played the spinner 20 times. Chess won 11 times and Eddie won 9 times. Who had the greater chance of winning based on the result? Chess had the greater chance of winning based on the result. If they play 10 more times, predict who might win more games. Chess might win more games because his result higher in the previous game. Number 3, a bag contains 5 red marbles, 3 blue marbles, and 2 green marbles. Which color is most likely to be picked? Red color is most likely to be picked. Probability help us to predict the the possibility change what possibility change in the future. Science. Tectonic plates slide past each other. How can this movement cause the ground shake? This movement can the plates rub against each other and release energy, so people should be calm, cover, and hold. Number 2, tectonic plates move away from each other. What might come out from inside the earth when plates move apart? Magma or lava may come out from inside the earth when plates move apart. Why can this movement change the shape of the land? Because this movement can create a crack, a mountain, and a new land. Number 3, earthquake can happen in different ways based on the plate movement. Compare plate crashing together and plate sliding past each other. How are they different? Um, Plate crashing means plate push under the ground, while plate sliding means the plates move sideway each other. Which movement do you think can cause more damage? Mm, the possible answer is plate crashing because it can cause stronger earthquake and volcano. Number 4, tectonic plates movement can affect people and nature. Why do scientists study tectonic plates and earthquake? Because the scientists wants to understand about when will the earthquake happen and predict the dangers. How can learning about earthquake help communities stay safe? So the communities can prepare the emergency plan and they can build the strong building to stay safe.
Okay, Miss, now we turn to book. Next, we have a special activity to matematika kan, Miss?
Oke, matematika, we have special activity itu adalah tentang membuat diagram batang. Langkah-langkahnya yang pertama kita akan membutuhkan alat-alat seperti kertas, penggaris, lem kertas, penggaris, dan buku ataupun paper. Kemudian langkah-langkahnya yang pertama, guru menjelaskan bagaimana cara membuat diagram batang itu, kemudian memberikan data. Setelah memberikan data, maka anak-anak akan dibagi menjadi beberapa kelompok dulu. Dalam satu kelompok itu terdiri dari 4 orang. Nah, di dalam kelompok itu mereka akan membuat diagram batang yang berbentuk 3D. Kemudian mereka disediakan paper dan mereka akan menggambar diagram batang dengan menggunakan data yang disediakan. Kesimpulannya yaitu mereka mengetahui bagaimana langkah-langkah dalam membuat diagram batang, kemudian mereka mengetahui apa itu sumbu X dan sumbu Y, dan mereka juga mengetahui dan bagaimana cara membaca diagram batang. Kemudian ini adalah earthquake science.
Di sini, you can explain this topic just like a micro teaching. Just do a micro teaching and treat me as a student, Miss. It's okay.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about earthquake. So do you know before we go to our material about earthquake, what do you know about the earthquake? Okay, earthquake it's a sudden movement from our ground. So let's go to the thinking cap. What caused earthquake to happen? What do you think? Did you ever feel earthquake around you? If yes, maybe what caused earthquake happens? Yes, earthquake can happen because the movement of the earth or something movement under the earth. Let's see again in down. How does an earthquake occur? So before we know it, before this lesson we have learned what is the the layer of the earth. The first layer we know is crust, and then mantle, outer and inner core. So earthquake occur in the crust, on the crust. So on the crust there are some large piece that we can call it as tectonic plates. And when the tectonic plates do the movement and make the ground shake, we can call it as earthquake. And after that, these tectonic plates do not stay in one place. So there are three kinds of movement that can do by the tectonic plates. And then tectonic plates also do the movement slowly, and when our earth have an earthquake, it can cause some building around us fall, cracks, and road also can cracks, and building broken, and it can also can make people around it died because the rock under the around the buildings. And then after that, do you know there are three kinds of the movement of the plates? The first is this one. On this picture, we say it this one, the the tectonic plates crash into another plate. So it can cause the stronger earthquake and the volcano. And after that, the second movement is slide past another plate. So it means it seems that the tectonic plates rub against each other, like our hand. This is the tectonic plates, and this the right and the left are the tectonic plates. So when we rub our hand like this, so the ground or the earth may the shake may be shake, and the earthquake can occur. And after that, the third is, this is the last, is the tectonic plates can also move away from each other. It means our Earth can be divided into two pieces, yeah, two side. Yeah, it can be divided into side because the tectonic plates move away each other. Like that. And then, yes.
Now we turn to vocabularies, Miss. Science first, Miss.
Okay, we have science vocabulary list. The first is earthquake. Earthquake is sudden ground shaking caused by the movement of tectonic plates. So earthquake can occur because the tectonic plates do the movement under the earth. Number two, tectonic plates. Tectonic plates is the large earth pieces that large earth pieces that we can see that under the earth, it can do some movement that can cause earthquake because this is the place of the tectonic plates is the first layer on the crust. On the crust, seismologist is a scientist that learn about earthquake and the movement under the earth. Seismologist is a person who study about when will the earthquake happen and what kind of movement that they can found under the earth. Inquiry, asking question to get better understand. So inquiry mean asking question to get information to get better understanding. Crash is hit something hard suddenly can cause damage and destruction. Crash means hit something very hard suddenly and can cause loud noise, damage, and destruction. Format, probably change something may happen in an event. So probability is a way to measure how possible something can happen. Unlikely. Unlikely is something that describe unlikely is something that something will not happen often today. So unlikely describe an event in a small change happening. Likely something will happen soon today. Likely describe about an event with a big change happening. Change is possibility something change during an event in every situation. Change is how possible something can happen in our daily activity. Manipulative is controlling people by controlling people unfairly to get what we want. Manipulative is described as a person that control another person unfairly to get the personal benefit.
Okay, that's all, Miss. Thank you
Yeah.
for your explanation.
Thank you, Miss.